You know what Granite needs? Is a roller skating rink. That's what this would be. If I just had money of other people's to blow, y'all, I could come up with marketing plans all day long for what communities need. That's what this needs to be, is a roller skating rink, y'all. That's what Granite needs. You guys, this is an old Family Dollar. Look at this clean slate. We're here in Granite. Granite is between Hobart. It's in between Mangum, Elk City, Altus, right off Highway 6. Huge open space. I'm not kidding. Roller skating rink. Don't you think, Kayla? Kayla's on the doing video for us. I mean, you've got poles in the middle. I mean, you can skate all around it. I'm just kidding. You know what else Granite needs? A grocery store. This could be subdivided. So many things. This building is not very old. It's in a prime location. So many options. But you could subdivide this. You have, you can make dual entrances. Office space, whatever you want. All right, come back here. Let's check it out. We have 2 bathrooms. 2 bathrooms. That'd be great for a roller rink, right? Granite, help me out. Y'all help me out. Share this video. Bring a business here to this great community. We are also right by Lake Lugert, right? It's a great lake. Have y'all been to that lake? I love that lake. Okay, we also have a storage room here. Kayla's going to swing you around. Water fountains. And then we have a back room, which would be your great concession stand for this roller rink that I am now going to push for this community to have. Let's do roller rink and a couple of bowling alleys, right? A couple of lanes. Okay, here's your back room. So this is a great little storage area. Nice high ceilings. This is a great space. Call me to come take a look at it. Again, I didn't tell you. There's no again. Stacy Carnes-Stricker here, United Country OK Sunset Realty and Auctions, 580-821-4804.